Hi, my name is Satvik Goparapu and my Unity ID is Scopara, which is Sgopara. Today I am doing the op unit profile check and building the basic delivery pipeline which we built in the first lecture. To check the op unit, let me run the command in my local over here. Looks like everything is passed except duplicate, and here we are checking that the version should be greater than 1.9. I do have duplicate on my local, and I do have version which is greater than 1.9, which is 1.11, and I'm not sure why this is getting failed over here. Apart from that, everything else passed successfully, including the duplicate as well. So that's the op unit local profile check, and let me build the basic delivery pipeline which we discussed previously. In order to do that, I created a folder called demo, and you can see that which is empty right now, and I'm cloning the pipelines project into that particular folder. We have successfully cloned it, and let me go inside that. Yes, and we need to do a op unit check initially. Looks like I have all the three latest all the three softwares which are Git, Node, and curl. Latest softwares. Apart from that, these are the things which we are going to build right now, and we will run the op unit check later after building the pipeline. At first, we are creating a post commit hook which opens Google as soon as we make any as soon as we commit a change in the Git. So in order to do that, we need to create a post commit hook. Before that, we need to create a hook demo project, a hook demo folder. And do a git initialization inside that hook demo. Now we are gonna I'm gonna create the post commit hook inside the git hooks folder. I open the git hooks folder and let me create a post commit hook. Since I'm on Windows, let me comment out the map part and save the file. Let me create a test file just so I can make a commit. Inserting some random data over here and saving the file. And if we do a git status, we can see that particular file. Now I am adding that particular file so that we can commit it. Post commit check. Yes, the post commit check successfully ran and opened the Google in the browser. So that is done, and now what we are doing is we are trying to run our application and checking whether it's working properly or not. To do that, I need to go inside app folder, and before that I need to install all the dependencies of that particular app submodule. Let me run the app, so app project. Looks like it started listening from localhost. Let me open that particular. It's successfully running. Yes, and you can stop that particular. You can stop the project and do an npm test, just making sure that all the test cases are running properly. Yes, everything passed successfully. And now what we do is we create a pre-commit hook which basically installs all the dependencies before committing and does a npm test. If all the test cases are passed, then the commit is allowed. Let me copy the pre-commit hook code, and this hook should be created inside the uh, app app submodules .git folder. So now let me go into the app.git folder of the pipeline, and we need to go to modules and hooks. So here we need to create the pre-commit hook, and let me save the file. Also now we are making a change in the app.me.js high from to buy from. So let me go back to app folder and main.js here, and I'm now saving the file. If we do a git status, we can see that we made a change to the main.js. Let me commit that particular file. Commit fail test. So since we wrote the pre-commit hook, now before committing it, make sure it runs the pre-commit hook and checks all the and runs the npm test. Since we change it to buy from that particular test field, and the commit got successfully cancelled, which is the expected result. And now let me revert back those changes in the main.js. So we have now successfully finished the pre-commit and the post-commit hook, and now what we are doing is we are building the production git inside the deploy folder. Production git is production.git folder is the remote repository for the app submodule, and production hyphen www folder is a folder where we deploy the web app as soon as we make a change to the production.git folder. So for that we need to create a new folder which is deploy, and inside that we need to create two new folders which is production.git and production.ww. And I need to initialize the git inside the production.git folder. So and this is where we create the post receive hook, which is cd hooks. And I'm creating a new post receive hook, saving the file. And we also want to stop the server and restart it once if there is any changes to that deployed web app. So to achieve that we need to install pm2. So let me install pm2 and globally. PM2 got successfully installed, and now we are adding the restart code inside the post receive hook. And now we need to create a link between the app repository and the remote production repository, which is present in the production.git folder. So to achieve that, we need to run this particular command inside the app folder. We are inside the app folder, and let me check that we have successfully made the link or not. We can see that we have made that particular remote link, and now we are updating the main.js inside the app so that we can check whether the changes are reflected in the production repository or not. And now we are pushing this particular code to the latest to the production. Before that, we need to commit the main.js. Let me do it git status, git add main.js, and git commit post receive hook test. It is, now it's running the pre-commit hook and checking whether all the test cases are passed or not. Since all the test cases passed, commit is allowed. And now what we need to do is let us run git push prod master. It pushed to the production, and now the app is getting restarted. Now we can go to the localhost 5000 to check. Yeah, now the changes are reflected. You can also do the op unit check as well to make sure everything is running. Looks like everything passed over here. Thank you.